Abusiafo, mami mo bibia kwaba enfambra GCN page so. Munyaba address chime. And I'm the way bro. Now mesro so be subscribe to my channel. Fa me abe on so, be a notification. And some me koso o me bi abenya biati and I say obenya bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha. Honorable Sam George and na oka say na ne sem a okay na ne say Ghana for identity na ye hypocrite sir. And some Twene Jonas Ekano. Is he not telling the truth? He is telling the truth. And for no obomudino, he is telling the truth, including the politicians. Because Galamse ne koso o manga name wa yensu eseno. Politicians ekaho. And for ekaho. Chinese for no mufio mukrom no omobano. Omoba Ghana hanum Chinese for no wa yo mu anim say you know. Omo nim Ghana hanum. Omo nim Ghana bebia. Gold na de ade wo say western region na gold wo omo nim. Eye Ghana for na no mo chiro mo de omo kwa ahemfofo wo. Politicians ni bi eka ho. Inti adenti na Twene Jonas e di atema Ghana for ya hypocrite na ye kasa. Honorable Sam George say politicians eka eye galamse hu se me ekoso Ghana yensu se me say no. Politicians eka ho. Ahemfofo eka ho. Chale ensema eye Twene Jonas eka no. He is telling the truth because the system is not working. Okwa brochira glass in kwa enti ensema Twene Jonas ekano eye no kwa trodo e na okano politicians enka no kware ahemfofo enka no kware na Honorable Sam George say he is not supporting Twene Jonas say odidi attempt the insult ne de and said that enya fine sir because abofred did open attempt sir but ubetimi a chewadwen without the insults ubetimi a catch and penifo say hey the mo ya ne se bio emfa kwem because mo say o man Ghana but enya tem didi kwanso nti in some way and na Honorable Sam George and they out to all support Twene Jonas our say it is true the system is working e wo outside Ghana system no enya adwuma Charlie glass in kwa na saying and Honorable Sam George e dey etudwa
in speaking the hard truth that Ghanaians don't want to listen to. You see, look, and I may get into trouble for this, but Ghanaians know the truth, but we hate to be told the truth. We like to be lied to. And so, when you see someone who is blunt with the truth, who tells you the truth how it is and says it to you, how it ought to be said, people end up taking issues with them. But honestly, let's sit back and ask ourselves, the things Twene Jonas has been saying, which part of it do we not agree with? What part of the facts, the system that is broken in Ghana that he points out, can we disagree with him?
The manner he portrays like that.
You can have an on that score. You have a valid point to say he could do it in a better way, okay? But you see, people get frustrated and they feel like, look, people ought to know better. When politicians are the ones behind those doing galamsey, how then do you expect him to be nice to us politicians? Because we are the problem. When chiefs are the ones who support the galamseyers and are destroying our water bodies, I'm not saying he should go and insult a chief, but he has every right to call out a chief. Because if you're a chief, you sit on that stool as a custodian for your people to protect not just the land but the natural water bodies in there. Today they are using river bodies to curse him. What have been the activities or actions of these chiefs to protect those river gods? The deities they are using to curse him. Me, I said that I don't do those things. I don't dabble in those things. But if those things really do exist, the river deities will protect him and instead of killing him or do whatever the chief's asking for. Because his action and activism is asking to clean up the water bodies. You as a chief, your activities and actions are to allow Chinese come into your community and come and destroy the water body. So what are we talking about? I mean, yes, he may have to look at how to polish his approach and the way he puts out his, but let's look at the substance of what he is saying. Is he wrong? Yes, system na ejuma na 24/7 is he working? Charlie glass on
yes, enko court. I go Supreme Court no. Me gini yes 2024. Say o kwa koto aba. Ana say 2024 say to aba wi a. 2024 say to aba wi a. Na so be de bia, you will think twice. Say Ghana kokoye Liberia ana Sierra Leone. anka bra ye to abade wieye dede course won kan to kwasi Ghana nti ebesere se ye mpanimfo no men kabaya anka JM madwen kyerɛw me hu ni se ase ne nkwada na de yi nachi na chidifo no leaders ni bi no oma disappoint no yes oma disappointing to the extent say papa yi nanum onyam sonko a wo our political arena na yama papa yi atima begina bonten say we win election ya chairman so wonka no begina bonten say we win election na sam kokodu court ni general secretary wose yebusa ne say yebusa onaba se dunkatia say ono ani calculation obetimi aka percentage ko a eye ne party ni nyan wose da bi ontimi nka tie the key point na udi politics yachi a wanfo wafu ani akire wanfo wakoma anko di politics yachi yusu wagene we yerkwa ne yaka kirewo anya ntro ne yatwa de akire ye ka no kore na de akirewo because the idea is what ase no so simple idea is what ase so simple general secretary of the party akwa gina court yebusa ne say in his own calculation or check here the political party bra no mo ka so mo awini no percentage be na mo based on how many chance so mo awini no and yebusa say okay or check here in own calculation na do dan ko akufuado abane ye to ye no say no gidi pass e ono ye den enyan eno nso a general secretary yamba pass ye dunkatia o say no enti we say ibusa o say ene ye be enti na no man kwada ene akidifo no bia o madwen mu ha no mo ye dede monten so eye keka ede be enti na no mo pia o so mo nye dede enti we ema bibi ese bibi bu adwum say 2024 so the political party be here whether MPP or NDC you very careful you swadene men you so akoma enkwankwa ye unnecessary campaign bia woni source woni bibi tina so ene papa se edun katia ote court ayi ote box ni mu no na utimu se ya tututu na no kasa obeka no wachire after election ene kasa obeka no court supreme court dan mu no difference in so we are Ghana ni forget about political affiliation na call a spade a spade we are Ghana ni na ya na nipa bi ntiase no se si ya ne apam political na de ahyew aya no kra na me ka kire wo say we are Ghana ni forget about your political affiliation call a spade a spade empany for the leaders na dada mo anya me apatan ko my Ghana ananke ade kwa kosi koso anke do my Ghana kwa kosi koso kan to kwa betimi esi sa dede ne koso after election after election December 7th ya to abani wiye no a declaration ni ba abonten no se nyankopon amwa ana bibi fo nso teacher afo nso yes o muso beti esi monten so ana muso yes o muso be retaliate a anka can talk kwakasi anka Ghana nke first time anke be experience war e Ghana 2020 general election because of false claims say general secretary of a party jina ho se we win election communication director declare opposition party opposition leader John Dramani Mahama say the president elect busa won se sasem we se kokosi wo Liberia ana Sierra Leone kadi ba se na kebesi wo Ghana the kind of crowd na achiro fa ni ya mo ya ho ban 2024 ya to abawie na hu se walusu agitum ni enko yanim 4 years obeto ani na bawo me no ka say ubeto ani na 4 ya ma 30 years kwa beto ani na eden na ba na say say young wake up na all the time blind politics and yebeya one day Ghana if care it's not taken we will experience war Ghana for politics
political party a woyɛ to nkyɛn, whether MPP or NDC.